How to get working promo codes for McDonald's. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in McDonald's promo codes and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for McDonald's. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Simply Codes. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for McDonald's. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 30% off, $20 off, 50% off, and many more. In order to use any of the offer, all you have to do is click on it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy the code and use it. Likewise, you can also give a try to other website. Let me choose this one, Grab On. This is also the genuine website where you will find amazing offers and deals for McDonald's. Just scroll down and check out the offers, and to grab any of the offer, you have to click on it and go through the process. So this way you can easily get working promo codes for McDonald's. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.